And the race is on. Peace and love from the outside, Bangge. And moving up is Danish Mintra. Winning bid also rising up. Headline Chaser is running by Darrell. And Stormtrooper is the early trailer by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Winning bid is now the leader by some 2 lengths, followed by Peace and Love as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Winning bid this time by some 4 lengths. Peace and Love. Bangke racing in third by another 3 lengths. Running down on the inside of favorite Headline Chaser. Working towards the back. Winning bid by some 4 lengths, followed by Peace and Love. The favorite Headline Chaser is now running in third by some 2 lengths. Bangge, Stormtrooper, and Danish Minstrel. Rounding the far turn, Winning bid, still leading by some 4 lengths. And moving up by the rail is Headline Chaser, and on the outside, Peace and Love. Winning bid, Peace and Love, Headline Chaser, as they race towards the last 450. And still winning bid by some 2 lengths. Headline Chaser is making ground and on the inside. Peace and Love on the further outside, and Bangge. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Headline Chaser is now the leader. Winning bid in Peace and Love. And finally, the favorite, number 1, Headline Chaser. Second, winning bid, Peace and Love, Bangge, Stormtrooper, and Danish Minstrel comes last.
Okay, crossing the wire for a stop choice.